Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing and review video. This time we'll be looking at the HCHIB portable LED projector. It should have a variety of connections that we can use to project things on the wall or a white screen if needs be. So let's get to unboxing and actually see what's inside. So after unboxing, this is what we get. So we get some connections like I was mentioned before. We also get a little mini stand, and I'll take them out in a few. We also get a remote. We get the projector. We also get a little letter, and it seems like it has, contacts for the after sales team. So if anything, we can reach out to them, which is good. So we know if this doesn't work, we should be able to contact them and see what their technical support or after sales team can do. Alright, so let's get to pulling this off and actually connecting it up and testing it out. Alright, so this is how it is once everything is fully connected. You have your HDMI ports to your side. You also have an audio port and you have a USB port. The USB port can also be used to connect to the device. However, it's best to use a HDMI because it's more for visual properties, right? So that being said, I'm going to remove this cover. Once I remove this cover, it's not on right now, so you won't see anything. However, once I turn it on, you will see the light. So I'm going to face it towards the wall, and hopefully in here is dark enough and the LED is bright enough so we can actually see something. All right, so when it's turned on and the display is placed a bit away from the wall, we can get to see it in its clarity. And of course, we can actually use this to focus, so we can actually calibrate it to get a bit more focus on it. So I'll just take it a bit out of focus so you can actually see, right? However, if I come back, realize in focus, if I continue, kind of lose a little bit of focus and get it back sharp. So for now I'll work with that. However, I may adjust it based on how it appears when I actually project using my laptop. So currently right now we're using the HDMI connection, so as you can see, but you also have a USB connection, and there is a Bluetooth mode. So I'll just show you the Bluetooth mode while I'm at it. So we can use these to navigate the settings, right? So I already have the settings selected, so I'm just gonna press OK, and there you go. You have Bluetooth mode that you can select, right? We don't want that. We already have HDMI, so I'm just going to go back, and then I'm going to press the side button to go across. Then I'm going to select OK. Once I select OK, because I'm connected HDMI, I will see my screens, right? So currently right now I am extending the screen, so I can actually drag this out of view and actually bring it across. So we see it's working with different functions. So I can just duplicate my screen, and once I do that, we see where it has been duplicated. I want to keep changes. So currently right now it is showing my screen pretty clearly, right? I have no complaints. I figured if I want to further adjust it, let me see. I think this will work, right? It's not bad. Let me just take off the lights altogether. So I'm just gonna turn off the lights and see how clear this actually is, even in the darkness. So it doesn't do too well with small text, is what I'm realizing. Okay, I think that is good. but small text take a bit of work to focus in on, but for the most part it is showing what is on the screen very clearly. I have no complaints really. Let me turn on the light, and you see with light it's still very clear. Alright, so just a few things to note. It has 3 connections. You can do wirelessly with Bluetooth. You can actually connect USB. You can connect HDMI like we currently have. We have a remote that we can use to control the volume. We can use it to maneuver the settings. We also have a stand. I'm not using the stand because I don't need it right now, but we could affix the stand. This little part actually comes up. I'll show you. Can I muscle my way up? Can I do it? No. Alright, here you go. Yes, it goes up here. You put it right underneath, screw it in, and it's you. Alright, so that's that in terms of the functions that I've noted. Obviously you can focus, change the focus, and yeah, I think that's it for the functionalities that I've noted on it. You get a lens cover, so be sure to always put back the lens cover on. We also have, let's get them. We also have a manual, so you get a manual. You can, read and look at what other functions that I've not spoken about. You get a little letter with communication from the technical assistant team and the after sales team, so that's also something that can come in handy. Yeah, I think this ends the video. Thank you for watching. Please continue to support the channel. Leave a comment if you do have a projector like this. Share some of the downside that you've experienced.